was, let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Just practicing this part to this, to this, to this. But then I posted the part which had the whole follow flow as a second video. Starting with the poi going this way in clockwise sprinkler. We'll do 4, 3, 2, 1. And now turn to the right, do 360 in the in spin here, and then we'll sprinkler again. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then turn to the right, 360 again. And now we'll just do 2 sprinklers, 1 and 2, and then 360 again. And now come into the clockwise corkscrew, bring it up into the clockwise pinwheel, turn right, come down into the overhand weave, open it up, come into same time, go into the same time cap, and then we're going to do a 180 to the left on the extension coming out in the underhand cap here, and then we'll do a 180 back to overhand on the right, and then a 180 to the left underhand. Now let's do a 360 to the right, all the way around, coming back to underhand cap, and then switch your feet so that you can do a 360 going to the left, coming all the way around back to the underhand cap. Now we're going to turn right into the pinwheel, and then come down into the same time hip reel, and now come up into this same time or together time pinwheel, and now split time pinwheel, split time big, and now come down into chasing the sun, and now turn to the right and overhand, double stall between your legs, sweep over the top and counterclockwise, hip reel, split the time, back to together time, back to split time, bring it up into the split time pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, right 360 in the weave, left 360 in the weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, open it up, sweep back, underhand, wrap up the poi, so they're choked, they're short poi, come into the underhand buzzsaw, tap the right one on the back, separate your legs, Sparky special, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and take your left hand, bring it up over the top in the extension, so you have 2 circles here. Now bring it down into underhand opposite butterfly, go into the underhand opposite hip reel, then we're going to come up to the underhand opposite pinwheel, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, back down to the hip reel, and back to the butterfly. Now we're going to drop stall. Now turn left and we're going to drop stall, drop stall. Now we'll go into that hybrid, underhand with the left, then come across the bottom to underhand again, and now we'll go drop stall, and then underhand with the left, drop stall, turn back to the right into the underhand opposite butterfly, make it split time, go split time big, right, then left, then right, then left, and now back to small, and now same time, back to the hip reel, come back up to the pinwheel, and then we'll do extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, back down to the underhand opposite butterfly, drop stall again. Now come into the overhand opposite thread the needle, plane shift that thread the needle up over the head. Now we're going to take the right poi, bring it back behind your back, tap on your butt, and now we're going to turn, and then come back into the counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up, come up into the pinwheel, come down into overhand weave on the left, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, turn right to underhand weave, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, back to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave. Now step your right foot forward. We're going to do a 360 in the weave to the left. So we're turning left, back to overhand, and then put your left foot forward. Then we'll do a 360 to the right, turning in the weave, and then open it up. Stall the left poi between your leg. Come to the front and overhand butterfly. Take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left. Bring it up to the right, up to the left, up to the right, up to the left. Now, both up and down. Angel to butterfly, angel to butterfly, angel to butterfly, angel to butterfly. Now hold the butterfly behind the head. Bring it back down to butterfly in front. Go big and small, 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 big, small, 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 big, small, 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 big, and turn to the right, stall the right poi, come into overhand weave again,